Looking sharp. Yeah, so I've been wanting to ask, how long have you known this girl for?
Well, I have known her for 4 years now, and we have been dating online for 2 years.
Over the phone?
Do you have a problem with that?
No, fine.
And you think it's a good idea to invite her to live with us for 3 months?
Well, Kevin, I don't know your smart mouth right now. You know why? Because Mom gave me approval already.
Is your brother on drugs?
I thought so too. Probably is.
Kevin, you should remember the fact that I'm older than you with 1 year, 5 months, 2 weeks, 3 days, and 2 hours.
God, I beg. Sorry, Dad.
You're welcome.
I do hope this your mystery girlfriend is beautiful though.
Well, my girlfriend is an amazing, beautiful lady. If that's what you want to hear, Ayo, the tallest man in the house.
Alright, the reason why I'm here, your phone has been ringing since.
Ayo,
Yeah?
is there something wrong with you? My phone has been ringing since that you could not tell me. All you're asking for if my girlfriend is a beautiful woman?
What do you expect from Mayo that his brain is not working?
Absolutely.
What are you saying? You that have fake head plaster on your head.
Very rest.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I have to go right now.
Not even a thank you for bringing your phone for you.
Ayo, eat yourself for all I care.
Are you going to go dressed like this?
Am I not looking good enough?
You look too corporate.
Oga, go and change.
I'll go with you guys on this. I'll go with you guys on this!
This is our brother.
Let's try it again.
My girl!
Leave there, Joel.
I'll photobomb.
In person.
You look pretty too.
Oh, welcome. So good to see you.
Hi, mommy. Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma. Hi, ma. How was your trip? It was a bit stressful.
No, but we thank God for joining myself.
We do. Thank you, ma. You look so pretty.
It's a family thing.
Thank you. Thank you. You're so kind. You look so pretty yourself.
Thank you, ma.
Hi, Oren.
Hi, hello. Hi.
Okay, you can barely open his eyes. Sweetheart, this is
Orion.
Orion. That's my son.
Oh, okay.
Calvin, this is my girlfriend, and that's my immediate younger brother.
Nice having you now.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you, ma.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you. The bag.
Like it's heavy. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Your room is really, really beautiful.
Thank you, but it's our room now.
Please stop. I don't want to inconvenience you.
Nah, I don't think you will in any way. So, I made some space for your things in the wardrobe, and then when we go have lunch, we'll come back and we'll just arrange them.
That's so thoughtful.
Yeah, sure.
I feel like we're going to have a nice time.
I know, right?
Orion.
Yes?
What part of filmmaking do you do?
I write and edit.
And on set?
Directing department.
Interesting.
What do you know about film stuff?
Just a little. I do art.
You do art. Table manners?
If I'm being honest, the best conversation happened over me.
Not this one.
Anyways, I design and edit for an advertising company. I also manage an art gallery.
You don't draw? Or you draw?
I do.
He does. He has many amazing paintings.
Oh, I'd love to see it.
You have to end that privilege.
So when are you going to your native place?
Table manners, mom.
Really?
Oh, you good?
Yes, I am. Thanks.
Alright.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes.
It's basic.
Basic.
Yes. Why don't you draw that as your first day at work? I mean, look at yourself. Are you proud of yourself like this?
But this isn't bad now. She's not sure she's going to be on set or not, and she needs to be comfortable.
If I slap you, what do you know about film again?
We talked about it a lot.
It's fine. I'll
Working class Nigerians.
manage.
You're not going out today?
Nah, I have a meeting later with some potential investors. I like your work look. Smart and ready for future.
Tell that to Afam.
Wow.
He doesn't like what she's wearing.
It's fine. Let me go and change.
Oh, she's going to be on set now. She needs to be
Are you
comfortable.
saying you
I don't know which work she's going to do.
and she has to dress like that? Like, shit, she's not coming from home.
Right, you need to chill. She's okay. Where are you?
Yes.
Afam's wife doesn't have to look simple. It's a dent to his reputation. Oh, look at you. Isn't that a big difference?
Nice pants.
Thank you. Is this sufficient? Is this good enough for you? Is official enough?
Have a nice day.
You know you look beautiful in whatever you decide to wear, right? I mean, it's just somehow for me to look at you and not be able to place you how you should be. So you see, I cannot just stand and watch you dressed not properly. It's wrong. I mean, I need to be able to watch you and know what you're wearing, okay? You can't just be future Miss Afam and don't look good. You get me, right?
Okay.
Good. So, you know I love you, right?
I love you too.
Sure, so come closer. Come. Go into the car.
Hey, Pumpkin. Didn't hear from you last night.
I was busy trying to get acquainted.
I figured you'll be busy. On your way to the studio?
Yes, he is driving. I'm sort of anxious.
Why?
It's a totally new environment and my first day with no single mutual acquaintance, and the drama from this morning just made it worse.
As for the new people, it will only get better. Just give it time and calm your nerves. What drama happened this morning though?
My boyfriend called my outfit basic. He wasn't impressed with how I look, and he thinks my work people will see me same.
Wait, who is your boyfriend?
Why are you asking? I thought we agreed no names or face or leading information.
That was an expression of love.
Oh, I'm sorry for the misinterpretation. It doesn't make sense so that the boss asked me to come in today, knowing fully well that production, they've been currently going on for weeks now. They've gone really, really far. He just saw an opportunity to grab an extra production assistant and he grabbed me. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all.
That must have been hard.
Very hard.
Well, I'm sorry about that.
Did you hear what I just said?
Yes, sure, I did.
What's the job of a personal assistant?
To practically assist productions.
Yes, right. It's okay. I'll go to bed now. Good night.
Hey, babe. Wait. I'm sorry. I mean, this job has been pending for a while. I practically had to finish it. But I'm sorry, I'm all yours now. Okay. Come here. Sit down. Sit. I'm listening to you. Relax.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sure you didn't want to listen to me or you didn't want me. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm all yours right now. I'm all yours.
It's okay. I get that your work is very tasking. I was really excited to share with you and just talk to you. But it's okay. Do your work. Do your thing.
And you're not mad at me?
I'm not.
Promise?
Promise.
All right then. Thank you very much and have a good night. Let me just finish this, okay?
Nice.
Let me quickly finish this one.
So you manage the company by yourself?
Yeah, I enjoy anything management, unlike my brothers. Afam is an engineer and Kevin is an artist.
Okay, so that means you're like the direct heir to the company?
Apparently, although Afam and Kevin are major shareholders in the company, and they always have to be present for board meetings.
So, but they just make like, if it's like a major decision making.
Exactly, you get it.
No wonder, you're always like consistent, you're always showing up, you're always, taking your work seriously. Even when you're at home, you just walk.
Oh, thank you. Well, my physique isn't actually helping matters.
Right? Your physique might be this way, it might not help matters, but I feel like your charisma, your confidence, the way you carry yourself, I admired you this morning. I was like, nice one. I was looking at you.
Oh, thank you. I admired you too. And I was so glad that you didn't change when Afam asked you to. I'm pretty sure that pissed you off.
Not really. Not really.
Well, How are you guys getting along?
Good, I guess.
But it's not what you imagined, right?
Yeah, I mean, sort of. I don't know, I feel like it should take time. Like, it will take time. To take time.
I advise you just give it some time.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, I have some work to do at the lounge. Yeah.
The lounge? Why? Is it not comfortable in here?
It's comfortable here, but I like to, walk in that space. It's very spacious. It's quiet. I'm in my zone. I'm just, working.
Okay. If you insist.
I think my system is there already.
Yeah, I think it's there.
Because I know it's not here.
So your evening has not been as pleasant?
Not exactly.
Want to talk about it?
I'll give it time, so I'd rather not see.
Want to talk about his family then?
Well, the sister is cool. She's a smart ass and she's adorable. That's the last born.
And he's the firstborn, right?
Yes.
What about the middle child?
That's his brother. He's cool, weird and different. Cannot exactly say if he likes me or not.
So you don't like him?
He's actually temptingly good looking, but I'm indifferent about him.
Maybe that's just his personality. He might be the nicest of them all.
Not like I care. His mother is absolutely gorgeous. She's really welcoming too.
Now that mom has traveled, I can make all the videos I want. And here we have the real housewife and houseboys.
No, Kevin, that video should not go out. That video cannot go out.
Where?
I told you, it should not go out.
I'm gonna check on our wife. Our wife, Orion.
Orion, as far as I'm concerned, who do you guys think is the best artist in the whole world? I think it's Whiskey though.
What are you saying? Burna Boy is the biggest artist in the world.
It's Whiskey.
What are you saying? Well, I can't argue with you. You don't know anything.
Like, what he's saying is Beyonce. Beyonce is the biggest artist in this world.
Who's talking about Beyonce? We're talking about Burna Boy and Whiskey.
Kevin,
Beyonce.
who do you think is the biggest artist in the whole world?
Rema.
Oh, who are these people I live in the same house with? Y'all are weird.
Check the numbers.
It's Burna Boy.
It's Beyonce.
It's Rema. Check the numbers.
It's
So
Beyonce.
you caught her cooking, right?
Yeah, Jollof.
Jollof.
Oh wow.
Wow. I can perceive it already. She's a very good cook.
Gus is your girlfriend.
No, what would you say?
All the ones I've been cooking is not sweet.
Poison.
Yeah, come in.
Hey.
Oh,
Hey, Kev.
it's you.
Yeah, sorry for disturbing you. I wanted to ask if I can get the videos that you captured with your phone so that I can just compile them and edit it.
Are you reading my mind? I was thinking of the same thing. Yeah, come, let's do it now.
Let's be together then.
Alright now.
with Oma, she's interested.
Why? Is this Microsoft Excel? Are we making a spreadsheet? I beg.
The poor girl breathe.
I beg. Let's bring your laptop now.
Let's go.
We should go.
Let's go.
You come.
Let's go. So you cannot be a fitted.
I'm a king, I don't do that.
No, seriously, fast. Send this one, send this one, send this one, send this one.
No, that first one is better.
Which first one? Send this one. Send them to me. Click on this, click on this, click on this. We've had it.
Oh, wow. This must be a party without me.
Nobody's partying. We're just previewing videos from today. It was so much fun.
Yeah.
Must be very nice.
Yes.
Okay, babe. We're going to a fancy restaurant by tomorrow by 6 p.m.
Wow.
Look the part. On the second thought, I think you should send me your dress size because I don't trust your style. And are you sure you know your dress size? Because I've never seen you in a dress before. I want you coming looking very just like you are. Just send me the dress size, I'll do the finishing. My stylist will do it.
Yes, so first video.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the first one. Send me the first one.
Hey, pumpkin.
Hey, stranger.
I should say that to you. You've been gone all day.
You're not wrong. I had a fun time with his family today. His brother turned out to be way cooler than I expected. I'm kind of attracted to his energy.
And your boyfriend?
I really don't know. It was better long distance. Our communication was way better. He was putting in more efforts. And he was also really sweet. He's different in person. I'm even awkward around him.
That's something.
Yeah. You sort of texted at the right time, to be honest. I was pissed earlier.
Why?
He talks to me like he's instructing me. It's annoying.
I brought tea.
Oh, I like tea. I like tea and bread. I'll take this one. This one looks bigger. I like tea and bread.
See yourself.
I like tea and bread.
You're a psychopath.
How?
Anybody who takes bread and dips inside their tea is a psychopath.
Oh, hello, partner in crime. What did you just do now?
Alright, you've got me.
Why are you outside?
I came to come and help you cut the videos. You know, film editors are not really so bright or creative.
What? What do you mean?
You're just following a script.
Okay, so there are so many shots we have to take from. We have to take the perfect shot that portrays the mood of the film. We have to take the perfect shot that portrays the character of the scene. So we have to take like so many shots. That's why we have to use the script.
Yeah, still very easy.
You're just blabbing, blah, blah, to be honest. I don't know what you're saying.
No, for real now. Imagine editing a video without a script.
Like ads, you mean like ads? So maybe ads now on TV, they look very, but their editors have a cotton script that they use, so it's still the same thing.
Unlike film editors, the writer, director, and script supervisor have already made it easy. So my point still stands.
How do you know so much about film?
I took an online course some months back.
Oh, I see. Online course. Without practicalization. No wonder you have so many baby. I see. No wonder. You're just talking.
You're not okay. I actually like pulling your legs.
Now I see what you're doing. No wonder you...
I decided to come and cheer you up. I saw in Mama's room that you were so happy.
That's true. Thank you for paying so much attention to me. Thank you.
Anyways, let me leave you to your editing.
I'll blow your mind.
Like real?
I'll blow your balls.
What?
I'll blow your intestines. Let me walk small. Let me eat small. Let me eat small. I'm hungry. Hungry woman.
So, what do we call my makeover studio? Oma's Beauty Empire. Oh no, Meso's Beauty Empire.
Hey, get out, John. Let's see beauty.
Cousins are not this rude. If not for to finish, you will not be disrespectful to me.
Well, it's kind of. My girlfriend is actually a very adorable woman. That's why your makeup looks good on her face. So her face is just complimenting your makeup.
All of you are rude though. Hey. You are the true son of your mother.
Anyways, love. Come. It's time to
You look beautiful, Ree.
She does.
Yes, sure.
You decide. Take your time. Okay,
Why do you want to play?
no, Kevin has insulted me. This house feels so empty without them.
Are you forgetting Orion is just here for a while?
And so are you.
And you know you miss me dearly.
You wish.
It's not just a wish, it's facts.
I would rather talk to my AI all day than talk to you.
AI? Your AI will never truly understand it. It uses too much logic.
Are you?
Yes.
I'm starting to get worried though.
About?
You're switch up now.
How do you mean?
You're sounding way smarter than ever. I didn't even witness the growth.
Wait, you mean to tell me I sat down here the whole while to listen to you say this thing?
I don't blame you now. Share time to write your project will soon reach. We know who the undergraduate is.
Small play now, you are already taking it so serious.
What's so funny? Why are you laughing?
Oh, nothing.
So it's a woman that is making you excited, Abby?
How do you know he's a woman?
With the way you're looking at your phone and smiling.
Don't mind him with the way he laughed.
What's your business? What if it's a meme?
Meme.
You know what, I'm just going to leave you both to your drama-filled lives. I'm out.
Meme.
I'm telling you, such a meme.
She looks like a frog. There's no disputing that.
Come on, it cannot be that bad now.
I'm pretty sure she can see we're on a romantic date. And she should give him his distance. She's just trying to claim dominance over him. And he's letting it. On our first dating, he's giving another woman we coincidentally met here all the attention.
Calm down, Ree.
I really want to calm down, but it's not as easy as it seems. I don't care if they are best friends or whatever. Understanding boundary is common sense.
I'm really short of words right now.
He keeps acting like alpha male, calling himself that apparently. And this one time he needs to prove it right, he's acting like a pussy. I would have preferred staying at home with his brother and sister. I'm most certain I'll be having so much fun right now.
You should tell him you're under the weather and you want to leave.
Exactly. That is what I'm going to do. I just swore an uncomfortable fit for nothing.
I'm certain you look absolutely gorgeous.
Cannot believe what? Don't tell me what can't you believe? Now you want to have an opinion on my life? Don't tell me. It should be that my life is going to be a movie scripted by you. Rubbish.
Small backup I say I should do for you now. You're just insulting my life. How is your business?
How is your business? See if I found out you know what.
Of course, I would like to know.
Hey, Pumpkin.
I'm not in the mood to talk right now. Good night.
Better this morning.
Oh, you heard?
Yeah, I understand your plight. You're not insane.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
That's cool. You have work this morning, yeah?
So we are doing a musical video. The boss wants me to come, but I don't know my place in the production, but he just wants me to be around. He has not placed me anywhere per se, so.
First. Anyways, catch me if you can.
Why it took so long? You realize you're my PA on this set? You're supposed to be by my side all the time. Always defending yourself. Now go and see that those actors that seated in the box. And please, for God's sake, don't take 10 years there. Sure, come. Before this speed dry, I want to see you here. What's this nonsense you're doing? My friend, is this what you're paid for? What is wrong with everybody here? My friend, you can't do the right thing. Is that supposed to be the camera angle? Am I going to teach you your job? My friend, nobody forgets costume on set. Nobody does. What are you thinking in this your young age? Oh my God. Will you guys get me that costume? What kind of recalcitrant staff do we have on this set? Who brought you guys here? Orion, come.
Sir, standing back.
Sir.
Go and give me water to drink.
Sir, you are finished with the water we said.
But I'll finish you now. Where did you get all these useless crew members from?
Well, that's that. The boss was shouting. He was shouting, he said, I'm telling the customer, I was telling the customer that the clothes that she brought, she's not supposed to have left it at the studio. The customer was not telling me that the clothes that she brought, that she didn't know that they were not going to go to the studio. She thought that from there they would go to the next location. She was just explaining herself normally. When there's no move, Baba, the guy did not listen to her. He was not shouting. And then we're acting.
Can you just be done eating before you talk? God, you disgust me.
Hey, Angry Bird.
Hi.
You didn't even try to fight that.
Sorry, it seems to be my default setting these days. So sorry.
Well, I'm sorry about that though. You should know that as an artist, your feelings and mood will reflect in your work. Do you want people watching this to get angry? Orion, come on now. Stop it, this negative energy. Cheer up. Okay, tell me about your day. Let's start from there.
So my costumier has said today, she actually forgot the costume, the bag of costume at the studio.
No way.
We realized it when we moved to the next location. Really? When we got there, my pot-bellied boss, he was just shouting. He was like, I can't forget the boss there. I can't forget the boss there.
That one that looks like Shrek.
They are wicked. He was shouting. And the artist was there. He just started up and he was standing. He was shouting his
What about you? Where were you?
I was just very calm. I was
Just staying on your own.
No, you know me, I'm gentle. You know me, I'm gentle. I was such a it was crazy. Like he was, and he was shouting his beans. I was like, calm down. It was like drama inside drama. You know, we're shooting drama.
That's crazy.
I'm telling you, it's not that crazy, Sha. It's interesting.
So how did your mood get so bad like this? Because of that costumer? Just me now. You never finish.
Like I'm a
I love it.
I was so pissed. He legit called me disgusting because I was eating. I didn't even have that much food in my mouth.
That is just all shades of rude.
Right? He never sees his own wrong. But his fine brother came through as usual to lighten my mood.
Am I sensing that you're beginning to like his brother?
I don't know. It's wrong for me to like him, right? I mean, I did find him attractive from the first day I saw him.
Isn't that dangerous?
Why are you laughing?
Nothing. I have to go. I have some work to finish up.
Oh, okay. Good night, and I love you.
Good night, Afam.
Hey, wait. Let's go out on a date tomorrow. I'll pick you up from work.
Nice.
Okay.
cups of rice and spoons of pepper did you add?
Is this sweet food that you're complaining about?
No, good. I regret not helping you. It's not good. Okay, there's no sauce.
You guys are eating without me?
Who are you? Wait, is that mommy's bag?
Of course. I went to pick up from the airport while you are busy eating your life away.
See this animals trying to steal my mother from me.
She's my mother too.
Stop being so Nigerian. She's your auntie.
I am whatever he decides to call me.
Hey, Mama. Welcome back.
Welcome, mommy.
Good day, ma. Good day, ma. Good day, ma.
How are you people?
Fine, Mama.
So what's going on here?
Kevin cook.
What?
Chef Kevin.
I hope people will have anti-food poisoning drugs around.
No.
I should have some in my room.
Mama,
Thank
you
God.
don't believe in me.
Do you believe in yourself, honey?
I shall allow the pepper to kill you there.
Well, when you people are done eating Kelvin's poison, Kelvin, and I you have errands to run for me. And I need to see the office file upstairs, all right?
Okay, Mom.
All right. Would you like to come with me?
I thought you like running errands alone. What changed?
I figured that she'll be bored at home alone, so she can follow me, so she can just keep me company.
Okay, so you're the boredom remover. Whenever you're ready, okay?
All right, Ma.
Okay, Mama.
Miso.
Please pass the water, pass the water.
You can bring them and eat. Then you
Stop
bring my
following my
suitcase
mother
upstairs.
around.
Go away.
She did be fine now.
Don't come here.
Give me your meat.
So you had so much fun flirting with your boyfriend's brother.
That's not the best way to put it.
Oh really? What other way is there to put it?
I don't know. He makes me so happy. I'm beginning to get worried.
So what do you plan on doing?
Maybe start avoiding him. I mean, this can really get very bad. Or you don't think it's a good idea? How long have you been here?
I just got here.
So you were stalking me? You're monitoring me?
Stalking you?
Yes.
I'm the one that gets stalked. So with these clients, they don't know where to text. Who are you always texting on your phone?
One online anonymous friend like that.
Anonymous friend? What's that?
One random person opened a group chat, and then like to join the group you have to create an anonymous account, and then all of us, we don't know each other, so anonymous, so we just joined. So we're chatting with different people in the group, and then till you find your own person. So till you find your own therapy person, somebody you bond with, talk with, all of that. And later you can decide if you want to see the person, that anonymous person, later, if you want to. So yeah.
So how long have you guys been talking?
It should be 3 years now.
3 years?
Or 4, 3.5.
That's a long time. I mean, you guys must share some sort of special bond or something.
I want to believe so. Yeah, I want to believe so. Yeah.
Okay. So would you like to meet the person?
No. No.
Why?
Because it will change everything. It will just change the whole relationship.
Okay. Anyways, how's work?
I mean, it's fine. Oh, I bagged my first AD job in production.
Are you for real?
Yes, I'm for real.
That's so good. Congratulations.
Right?
I'm so proud of you, Ree. Sorry, Orion. Re is just much easier to say.
It's okay. It's okay. Afam calls me Re sometimes. It's
Oh, okay.
It's cool.
So back to texting your anonymous friend.
Okay, small. Just texting small.
Yeah, so you do know you become one of the shareholders in our company. That's like a lifetime investment. Although there are no available shares to sell now, but there's this new unit that I'm working on. As soon as it's ready, you can become one of our silent investors.
I like the sound of that too. Okay. Is it the unit that Daddy and Mommy approved now?
Exactly, that one.
I like it. What I can do is, based off your conversations and everything, it looks like the project has potentials.
It does, it actually does.
I'll talk to my daddy if he's interested. But then I don't mind putting all my savings, really.
Whatever you decide, baby girl, you do you.
I don't mind. As long as it's okay. Are you going with us jogging later?
I don't know.
Jogging.
How do I look?
Oh, irresistibly good, my boy. You look amazing. Sweetheart, no drinking. When you get back home, you can drink. All right?
Guys, where you at now? Let's go.
Make sure you protect the girls, so please. Protect the girls. Oh, people are looking good.
Hey, mama.
Wait, so you people are actually going to a party and nobody's inviting me? Even my daughter. So nobody offered to take me to this party?
Mom, this party is for people that are under 30 and you are way over that.
But I still don't I look 30s?
Before?
Everybody's laughing at me. So I don't look 30. That's what people are saying. Okay, bye-bye. No food when you get back.
And the last person that gets to the car is driving.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right, mama.
Bye, guys.
Is driving.
Bye, guys. No drinking.
There are you not drive, we'll die.
No drinking.
Oh, I imagine that old man, that old ugly man trying to dance with me. Like he was trying to. I was like, ew, it's disgusting. Don't do it. It's disgusting. Like, can you imagine? Like, he can be my father. I told him, don't dare. If you try it. Men these days, shameless.
Like,
Yeah, what? Sorry.
Like he doesn't know you're not a shareholder.
Like the disrespect.
She now owns shares in our company now.
What?
Calm down, Afam. What's so wrong with that? She made the right investment choice.
You have a share in our company without telling me? You know how much I hate not knowing about things.
Calm down, Afam. What are you getting so worked up about for?
What is there not to be worked up about? Why are you acting like this?
Jesus Christ, Afam, why are you angry?
Do you know how much I hate not knowing about things? Do you know how much I do?
Afam.
All you do is annoy me all the time!
Afam, wait now.
All the time!
Afam, calm down now. It's just shares, oh.
there's nothing wrong with you buying shares and investing in your future.
Right? I know, right? I put in all my savings. I put everything.
I'm proud of you.
Every day. Every day, I thank God.
Maybe I should take you upstairs. I think I should take you to your room now.
Alright,
One step.
see, I just want to tell you that whatever I'm feeling right now, tomorrow I'm going to feel the same way. Okay?
Yeah, me too, baby. Me too. Let's just get you to your room first.
I'm going to feel the same way about you.
Okay. One step, easy. Look, you can do it, one step. Yeah, one step.
Can you imagine? Orion, your news. Bringing tears to Fami's eyes. This guy's an ashawo.
Afam.
Oma,
What happened?
the worst has happened.
What happened?
Sit down first now.
Okay. What happened? Do you talk?
The worst has happened.
What happened now?
Kelvin and Orion, I saw them kissing.
What? Hey. What do you mean by you saw them kissing?
I saw them kissing. They even confessed love to each other.
Ah, I saw this coming.
I swear. Afam cannot, must not, and should not find out about this.
But he will eventually find out now.
Well, from what I see, Afam doesn't really like that girl. He gives more respect to those his ugly ass exes that he brings around the house.
Right? But Kevin and Orion kissing, that's bad now.
Very much.
What did you just say? You don't need to hide anything. I heard what you guys just said. Repeat yourselves.
Afam.
Just to think about the fact that he's coming back to apologize to Orion. Now this. So there's no need for apologies anymore.
That girl is not good for you.
Open your mouth. Afam! She see what your running mouth has put us
My
now.
mouth and your mouth, which is worse.
Pick it
Oh,
up.
please get out.
Talk. Afam, wait.
So have you come to lie to me again?
Afam, I'm deeply sorry.
About what exactly? Tell me! Lies.
Afam, it was not intentional. Afam.
So, are you people trying to convince me that you're really observing table manners, or is there something wrong? you just toast bread on your brother. What is that?
Your son.
Have you lost your mind? Okay, I don't know what is going on here, but we'll have to talk about it now. You join me after this food. What rubbish is that? Kelvin, pick that thing up. Okay, I'm waiting patiently for somebody to tell me what is going on in this house. Meso, can you tell me what this war is about?
Mommy, so the night after we went clubbing, Orion was really drunk, and Oma made a joke about Orion actually buying shares from the company. And after that, Afam gets really angry. And from my observation, Afam has not been treating Orion with enough love and care as she deserves on a normal day.
Oish, Afam, can you put yourself together and sit down? I'm still talking. Go on.
So, I was really shocked and also very excited to share the news with Oma. And while I was sharing the news with Oma, Afam barged in and he actually heard. And ever since, Afam has been acting up.
Afam, is this true?
Yes, Mom.
Kelvin? Was that intentional or there's something you want to say?
I have nothing to say.
Oh, you should not have anything to say.
Okay. Orion? You should have something to say.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mom. I don't regret my actions. I'd rather stay single than endure any more of Afam's maltreatment.
Okay, so is that why you kissed Kelvin, or is there more to it?
Yes, there's more to it. But I will do everything within my power to suppress and reduce whatever feelings I have for him to nothing. This house has been very welcoming to me. I don't want to be the object or the thing that breaks or destroys the happiness of this house. So, Ma, thank you so much. Thank you for your hospitality. Thank you. Thank you. I think it's best I leave. My production starts and it's going to last for 1 month. They've provided me accommodation. So just what's the
Orion, do you really have to go?
I'll lose my sanity if I stay here.
That's understandable, but just try and calm down.
I'm calm. I'm okay. I'm fine.
Orion.
I'm good. Really. I'm fine.
But just try and calm down first.
I'm calm. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'll miss you. I'm okay. Really. I'm fine. I'm okay.
miss Orion.
Tell me about it.
So, what will you do?
I don't get it.
Will you choose to be with her regardless, or
I will choose to be with her every time.
The certainty, bruh.
I've known Orion for 4 years.
What?
I'm her secret anonymous therapist's best friend. I will choose her every time, 1,000,000 times. She doesn't even know how much she's grown because of her kindness.
She doesn't know you're the anonymous friend.
Nah.
But you should tell her though.
I don't think so.
You should. But you know it'd be worse if she finds out though.
How do I tell her when she won't reply my text or pick up my calls?
Alright, bet. I can get her to come though.
Wait, for real?
Yeah.
You're the best.
I know, right?
Wait, I don't tire. I don't tire. Move, girls.
Let's go. Too lazy, let's go.
Hey, this dinner feels weird without you. Please text me. Hey Pumpkin, where have you been? You've not been active on this space. I'm getting worried. Reed, where you at? I'm losing my sanity without you.
Kelvin, drop that phone and eat.
Can we talk?
Okay.
I'm sincerely sorry for everything. From the bottom of my heart, I'm sorry.
Okay.
But I love Orion. I see the way you treat her. I hear your conversations. Afam, I've seen you in love. And this isn't it. Afam, I've known Orion for 4 years. Orion is such a sweet, kind-hearted girl.
Will you shut up? You shut up.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Do you remember me telling you that if she isn't the one you want to be with, you should let her go?
Yes, Mom.
So what did you do with that advice?
Mom, that is supposed to be my brother. He is my brother.
How is he different from any other human being? Can't you see how genuinely happy they are with each other? How can you possibly be against something like that? That is too beautiful to be against, Afam.
Guess what?
What?
I finally got her to come.
Do you want anybody to hear you?
Yes, sir.
Are you for real?
Yeah, but she's coming soon.
Look at you.
Calm down now, not today.
Not today.
Calm down.
Oh, thank you.
Right.
Don't worry, I'll buy you shawarma.
Shawarma.
You don't want shawarma?
Be for real now. Azu.
Asu.
Alright,
don't worry, I got you. I got you.
My bro.
My G. Oh yeah, go leave my room, thank you.
Wow, you're rude though.
Hi.
Hey.
Yeah, how are you?
Sandra.
Me and my friend were just having a conversation. Do you mind joining us? Alright, sure. Afam. Yeah, meet Benny.
Hi.
Hi.
Benny. Nice to meet you.
Sure.
Afam, are you shy?
No.
Why would I be shy?
Why didn't you come? Why did you let your friend come?
I just felt that I didn't want to.
Don't you have more confidence?
I do. And I like your confidence. Actually, I like a girl that has confidence like you.
I like a guy that has confidence. So are you confident?
Yeah, sure I am.
Are you sure?
I like your confidence. I like a girl like you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Like a girl like me. What do you like about me?
I like your confidence.
I like a girl as tall as you. I just thought you'd be so much drama just looking at what I see.
No,
You're not.
At all.
Okay, you're the G kind of girl, right? Me. Take it. I like this girl. Chill with us, please. Come on.
Like her, right?
So what are the things you like to play? What are the things you like to do?
Oh, I like fitness training though. I like going to the gym. Yeah, what is one thing, but I like full body fitness training.
Yeah, that's nice. I like.
Do you like it too?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that? No. Wait, let me be the one to put it up.
Well, I try.
Yeah. But if you want me to motivate you, I can be a motivating partner though.
I would love that. Pick again. Take the next one. I
You
like
know,
this
I
girl.
told you guys are going to sync, right?
Yeah, sure. I
like you already.
Yeah.
I like you already.
I like a girl that knows when to tell the guy I like you already. I like you too.
That's not bad though. I like your vibe.
I like
nice to meet you though.
Nice to meet you.
You owe me one.
Yeah, I owe you. I swear to God, I owe you.
me.
Orion, bye-bye. Sorry, I didn't have to say that.
Damn, Ayo, did you see that girl?
Afam, that girl is perfect. Figo.
Ayo, what you just did for me, I'm so thankful. Damn, see the vibe, see everything about this girl. Unlike Orion, she's nothing like Orion.
Man, she is your
Look at her
type.
lenses, look at her skin.
Type. I know.
Look at her hair.
I saw it, of course.
Damn.
I know you like her.
I love the girl.
Make her perfect.
Definitely. That's the kind of girl I want.
Yeah.
Shit! Look at the way she talked to me. She was like jeans. She was like.
That girl is your girl. She is your girl.
Mad. Okay. I'm gonna see her tomorrow.
You better keep talking to her.
I'll talk to her. I'm seeing her
better
tomorrow.
not lose her like
I'm gonna
this,
keep
for real.
seeing her.
And put in the work with her.
Sure, I will. Thanks. Let's go, my G. I'm gonna buy you something. You know what? Let's go.
Okay.
Killing it.
Ayo, you're bringing.
Even if you teach him, you will not win.
Never.
What do you
Everybody go Jen.
Kevin, you're being so smooth.
Bro, go your Jen now.
Let's go.
Last card.
Stop. Wait. General market, everybody. You can't
Yeah.
This thing is like two people playing on us.
They won't still win. They won't still win.
Win. Let's go. General market, everybody, and check up.
I'm the big bro always.
Man. Go your general market. Let's count it. Bring it. Let's see who wins. Okay, this is 8.
I win now.
Orion! Oh my god!
I
leave him. You're looking as pretty as ever. She's inside.
I love you.
Oh my god, you're so pretty.
Me too.
Hello, Orion. It's me, Kevin. Before you hang up, I already booked my...
This place.
I think it's great.
Yeah, it's a really nice place. My friends and I usually come here to just chill, get some drinks.
Oma, your friends,
Yeah, my friends.
men bring you here.
No, not men. Come on now, don't you trust me?
Oma, talk to me. Do you really have a boyfriend?
I don't. If I had a boyfriend, would I be able to?
You should tell me if you have a boyfriend, Oma. I will protect you.
I don't have a boyfriend. I come here with my friends. Oh, thank you.
Clean your hands first. Just give me.
Please don't mind. It's just.
Why are you in a hurry?
Calm down now. Come on, you can do it.
Fine.
Whoa, look at what you've done to your hair. Man, this is a fresh start, you know.
I really don't like it. Oma took me to a stylist and had me got me all this.
Well, that's very good of her.
Doesn't it look good?
It looks very good.
I just think it's not really me.
Well, this is you, like, it's a great start after all you've been through with Orion and, you know.
So, where's my thank you?
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome anytime.
Yeah, by the way, Oma, did you see what I sent to you on WhatsApp?
Yes, I saw it.
You saw it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What is that?
None of your business.
So, was it the one that sent it to you?
Actually, Kelvin sent it to me.
Wait, is this something that has to do with Kelvin and Orion?
Well, Kevin and Orion are actually having fun in Abuja.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm happy for them.
Are you sure?
Indeed. Who's happy?
I think I would want to go right now.
Go where?
You ain't going nowhere. You are going to have fun here today. After all you've been through, you're going to drink this all out. Barman, please help us with some, please.
Yes, my brother will pay.
He's got to pay.
I thought you guys brought me out.
Does that mean we'll pay?
We brought you out, yeah, big brother.
What are you going to drink?
Man, please give me one skin of mine.
One of everything.
Yeah, please.
Wow.
Let me take from you.
So my family, I finally decided that from this day henceforth, I definitely want to be happy.
Yes.
All I want to do is eat, happy, merry, go to different locations, meet new people, and they are happy and merry.
I
And we shall
support
be
that.
happy.
Yes.
My family, eat with me. Eat with me.
This is good.
Really
Strong
spicy.
food.
This is really spicy.
This is some real African dish.
I know, I like it.
Yeah, it's some real African dish. I really can't have more of this.
We're gonna have a two-bit place.
Oh yeah,
Nice.
please.
Let me feel.
It tastes so good.
It tastes so good. Like it's really good.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's actually
that's
called nkwobi. It's a really
I
nice
know
African
Nkwobi. I'll
dish.
teach you. My name is Afam.
Man, fuck.
Wow. Okay. Really nice, but I think I'll skip to this. I'll stick to this definitely. Oh, nice one. Nice to meet you, man. Be happy in this life. I choose to be happy. Everybody should be happy, man.
We all deserve to be happy with good food. Everybody gotta be happy. Yeah.
The motto of life is good food, good location, good
Happiness.
people. Let's go.
It's so good.
Nice.
Don't finish it all.
I think it is better from my side.
Yeah, you
This
see
one
that
tastes
one.
really good
Yeah, I
too.
see having eyes in this. All my respect yourself.
No, if you guys want more, I'll buy you more. Okay?
My
That's
brother.
our big brother.
Brother is
If you want
paying.
more.
Big bro, please, one more, please. I need one more,
finish
please.
up this. Finish this.
We should be doing this more often now.
Yeah, no, we will. From this day henceforth, we are all about Mary. I'm now a happy man, and I'm gonna be happy, and let's keep being happy.
We're keeping it happy with food. Food is the real happiness.
Good food, good people. Let's go.
This meat is nice.
You are too greedy.
So who is eating from 2 plates?
When would you guys ever stop banter? When would you guys ever stop banter?
When Ayo finally has sense.
I can see how much sense you have with the one you are talking in your week. You have to finish.
I bought this, right?
So because you bought it means you'll finish it.
This fish.
That fish is too big now. You. What's the meaning of this?
Instead of you to be thanking
I might not even younger sister.
Instead of you to thank God for food, you are quarreling.
Baby, if you want more, I'll buy you more. Eat as merry as you want. Let's go.
I don't understand.
You have no truth.
You that have short throats.
Nice.
You see,
Let's
when
go.
God made food, God knew
Oh
what
my
was
God.
doing.
When God made fish, God knew that fish needed to swim in the sea, and when the fish swim in the sea, you need to swim in our belly.
Yes.
See why I told you I like this place.
This is some nice fish. Really nice fish.
You guys are very greedy.
No more perfection. I want to live my life as I want it.
Says the greediest one. Yeah, you guys are very greedy after drinking everybody's drink.
Let's
We're
go.
not drinking it now. Don't want to waste it. After all, it's my brother's money.
Of course. And he's my enemy. Right? It's your brother's money. Like you're not a family. It's all mine. You need home training.
Tell him to mind his business. So.
Man, I'm sweating already from this good food.
You've
Sweating already.
not managed to pass your exams. You are here dragging food.
Food is good. Please.